Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your Canon PIXMA MX490 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MX490 support. So go ahead and search for that in Google. Best results should say Canon support for PIXMA MX490. Open that up. And then on this page, you want to go ahead and just scroll down here underneath downloads and select software and drivers. You want to select the item in here that says print driver and scan utility installer. Go ahead and select download for that. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt on that. And then select next, select your country of origin, and then accept the end user license agreement here. And then just give it some time to run. And then if you want to connect via wireless LAN or USB connection, make your selection choice and then select next, and then just follow along with the on-screen prompt so you can see it on my screen. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.